Church. On the 21st of September 1964, Pope Paul VI declared Mary as the Mother of the Church, a title later approved by Pope St. John Paul II to be included in the Litany of the Blessed Virgin Mary in 1980. Mary is recognized as the mother of both the head, Jesus, and the body, the Church. At the crucifixion, Jesus entrusted Mary to all believers through the beloved discipline. John chapter 19, verse 26 to 27, symbolizing her maternal rule for the Church. Mother of the Church, pray for us.